Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when we are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. Just the way we have seen this has been on downtrend before, and of course, it was unable to break out from this support zone. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. Okay, so this is still going to buy more, most especially if it breaks out from here. Then definitely, we should expect it to get to this region first. Then next, after that, then it should get to this particular spot. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, and if it's able to break out from there, then we should know that it should be targeting this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out. This is GainX 999, and of course, this had been on downtrend just the way I have predicted it 2 days ago, and yesterday we also milked the market with it within the Telegram channel, and it is still selling. I said it's going to get to this region. You might not see it very well. Let me go down to go up to 1 hour time frame so that you get to see what I'm trying to show you. I told you then that all these regions are free zones. Okay, guys, it has been selling since then, and this is the next target. Okay, so for those that are having this indicator or who have been following up with my trading tips, congratulations to you all, because you guys should be in a lot of profits right now. Okay, right from here that we got the sell signal and of course the downtrend signal. For those of you who are having this trading tool, check it out. You would have been in big profit right now, and of course you will be targeting this region right now. So congratulations to you also. This is still selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together, guys. Let's check it out together. Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. And of course, just the way we have seen this actually went on uptrend and came to an end at this spot. And of course, it's trying to go back into a downtrend, but we need it, guys. We need it to break out from here first before it can sell more. Okay, once it breaks out from there, then it should be targeting this region right from there. Okay, and of course, or probably let me make it this way to make it very easy for us. Target this first, and of course the next target should be somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you guys can take advantage of the opportunity right from there. Of course, we need it to break out from here, so this should give us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out Paynex 999. Okay, still on 15-minute time frame. This is Paynex 999. If you remember very well, yesterday we also milked this particular asset for a very long time for those that are in the Telegram channel. Okay, and of course I also made it known in my video yesterday that this is still going to buy more. It has more free zones even if it's achieved all the TPs I highlighted. So this is the ISTP which I have highlighted in my video. Okay, and of course you can see it broke out from here, and of course it is still heading towards this. Only those that are having this trading tool can take advantage of this opportunity, because this is where I stopped in my Telegram channel. So we started from there, and of course we achieved it to this region. Okay, for those that watch my video and are having this trading tool, you will still be in profit till now, and of course your next target should be this region. And that's so amazing, because this had been on uptrend right from here. You can see a single buy signal, and it has been buying since then. So this is the opportunity of you having a non-repenting a non-repent indicator. Okay, so it's so amazing, so beautiful, and of course it helps with your trading activities. Okay, so guys, this is still buying. So we're going to be moving to the next asset, which will be the last asset for today. That is FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. This has been on downtrend for a while, but it got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So it tried to buy, got to this region, and of course it stopped at this spot because here is the resistance zone, respected it around here, respected it around here too. So it tried going back on downtrend. If it should break out below this, it's going to sell more. Okay, if it breaks out below this, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will continue with the trend, with the buy trend. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out below that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.